Hi, in this video we will see geoprocessing tools, and one of them is click feature. Right now I have over here South India basins. So this is a shape file. From this file I have extracted a shape file Godavari basin, and I have arranged symbology like this for a particular reason. And I have one more shapefile which is India admin2, which uh, indicates the district boundaries within the country. Right now I have these two shapefiles. One is indicating boundary of Godavari basin, and another is the districts in India. Now let's see, there is a situation where I want to know which are the districts covered by the Godavari basin, and I want to calculate the area of Godavari basin. Further, I want to know the area of each of the districts which is coming into the Godavari basin, especially these borderline districts where part of the district is within the basin and part of the district is outside the basin. So how can I do it? So let's see. For that purpose we are going to use geoprocessing tools. All the geoprocessing tools are available over here in vector geoprocessing tools, and these are the several options available over here. You are going to experiment with them all in a class. We'll see only a couple of them. Let's start with the clip. So what clip feature does, it clips part of a input layer by following the boundary of an overlay layer. So in this case I want to know the districts which are falling in the Godavari basin. So in this case my input layer will be the map containing the districts, and from that map I am going to clip only those districts which are falling within this boundary. So this boundary, which is also called as a overlay layer, is or also called as a clip layer, is my Godavari basin. So you need to understand what is your input layer and what is your clip layer or overlay layer. So I am using over here India admin 2 as my input layer, because from where I am going to fetch the data, and this is my overlay layer will be the Godavari basin. Okay, now here you can see these India admin 2 and Godavari having two different geographic coordinate reference system. For example, India admin 2 has EPSG 4326, which is a geographic coordinate reference system, and for Godavari it is a 32643, which is a projected coordinate reference system, which is a UTM. Still, in spite of having two different coordinate reference systems, still this function works. But it is always better to have while processing the layers, to have those layers in a same coordinate reference system, and we have learned already how to change a coordinate reference system of a layer. So it is always better to bring all the layers in the same coordinate reference system and then process it. But for a time being, let's deal with these two different CRS. Then I have to say save to file. I have to give a location. I am giving a location class for exercise. I am to give a name. I am saying Godavari clip name. I am going to save it, and I am going to run it. Okay, so the layer is over here. So let's see the layer. This is the Godavari clip. The layer has appeared over here. I'm just removing all these things, and yeah, so now I can see the Godavari basin along with the districts which are clipped from the input layer. Now let's see the attribute table. Let's see first the attribute table of India admin 2. So this was the attribute table of India admin 2, which district, state, and all these things with 6 columns. uh, this was the attribute table for the Godavari shapefile, Godavari basin shapefile. It has only one feature and there are several columns including the population, area, and all those things. We have dealt with this before. But when you generate a clip layer, let's see how its attribute table looks like. Yeah, we have to select the Godavari clip over here. Yeah. So though it has used the boundary of Godavari basin, the attribute table will look similar to the input layer. So it has all 6 columns and it has only clipped only those 54 districts which are falling into Godavari basin. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to use a clip layer.